Here in this video, I will show you how to set a B3 in Illustrator. So file and here click on document setup. Then edit artboards. So here is the setting underneath artboards preset. So you have to find out in this list B4. This one, select it, and also you need to print B4. So file and print, and here you will see the options to select general. So copies, you can ignore artboards, and in the media size also you can select here B4. So these are the options to set B4 in Illustrator. How to set up B4 in Illustrator?